Hello everyone, my name is Om Shinde and I am here to explain you about strings in Python in Gokulam version. It would be fun to explain it. Let's start it. What are strings? Strings are immutable sequence of Unicode characters which are used to represent text. So what are the different ways to represent it and write it? So we can write a string in between single quotes, double quotes and triple quotes, so the output which we will get will be same as it is, but the triple quote has a extra feature that I will show you on VS Code right now. So let's go. So first I'll give a variable Gokuldham. I'll write it in double quote. Welcome to Gokuldham. So print it once. Now I will get the output as it is written in the double quotes. So the single quote will give the same output, and but the triple quote has extra features which is used for multi-line text. So I'll show you once an example. So I will copy the lyrics of intro song of Tarak Mehta, and you can see it as it is multi-line text. So basically, triple quote paste prints the text as it is. So let's print it. Print song. We'll get multi-line text written in it. So let's move to the next topic. Before moving forward, the important point is that strings in Python are immutable, as I told you earlier. So once they are written, the original string cannot be changed from its memory. And these are the examples in single, double, and triple quotes. So let's move forward. So now we will learn about slicing in strings. So strings in Python are treated in like a list of characters. So whatever we write, it is has an index value. So as we can see here, the example as Tapu Sena. So the T in the Tapu has a indexing value of 0 and it moves forward to 9. And the space is also considered as a value. So while printing we can directly print Tapu Sena, but sometimes we need to print only the word single word from it. So how to do it? So I'll show it once. So let's start it. So how to do it is I'll give group equals to, I'll write it in double quotes as T Sena. So to print only the single word from it, we have to write it as at it, write it as group, write the variable name, and in square bracket we have to give the index value from the starting index value and the ending index value till which we have to print it. So first is 0 double colon, and u ends on 5. So we will get the output as Tapu. Let's see it. Sorry. So we can see the output. So similarly, we can also print this in reverse format. So to do it, we have to use negative indexing. So I'll show you same format in square bracket. Just we have to give double colon and indexing as -1. It will print the Tapu Sena in reverse format. So you can see. It is called slicing. So we can write different, change the numbers and the format, so and get different output from it. So to explore the slicing topic, so we can move forward to the next topic. So in this we can also, in the slicing topic, we can also jump from one number, so to get the output such as 2, 4, 6, 8. So to do it, we have to add a third parameter in the indexing. So I'll show you the example of it. So I'll write a new variable, make a new variable, numbers equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what if I want to write 0, 2, 4, 6, 7 as my output? So the format is same, just we have to add the third parameter like this, 0 double colon 10, as the last index number is 10, and how much numbers values we have to hop, that will be 2. So we'll get the output as, let's see, yes, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. This will be the output. So you can change the numbers and get different outputs and explore the slicing. So we will move to the next topic. So now we'll move towards the lower cases and upper cases in strings. So to we can also give a string and which is in small letters. So, and what if we want to convert it into capital letters, or vice versa? So the method to do it is like that. I'll show you. So I'll write name equals to Jethalal. So this is written in lower cases. So to convert it into upper cases, we have to write it in name dot upper. So this will now print it in capital letters, as you can see here. Similarly, if it is in big letters, capital letters, so now to print it in lower cases, we have to write here lower, which will print it in a lower cases. So this is what we have told in this slide, and so we will move to the next topic. So Python, it is strip. It is strip. As we know, there are many empty white spaces in between the strings, which sometimes which are given by mistakenly, or so to remove that spaces, we have to use strip. So I'll show you once how to use it. So let's see. If I give lady equals to Babita G and give extra spaces in at the start and end of the string, the output which we will get normally will be, let's see what we will get. See, we can see here there are extra spaces in it. So to remove it, we have to write it in this format, print lady dot strip. So now this will remove the extra white spaces from it, as you can see here. So here's the example which is given. As we know, Notukaka uses the strip method to clean the ledgers. By default, this method strips away all unwanted white spaces, as I told you, from the very beginning and the very end of the string. This is a critical operation for sanitizing web development inputs. So, so now we'll study about replace. So why it is used? It is a method of searching the entire string for specific value, and we can swap it with a new value. So the original string remains untouched for it, but unless you override the variable, means if we write the same string, give a new string as the same name, so it will override the previous one. So we will now end this topic. Thank you for listening patiently.